Learn how to make an external transfer to send money to your accounts at different financial institutions in the United States. Go to the Dime Bank's homepage and select Login. Enter your user ID. Select Sign In. Enter your password. Select Sign In. Select Transfers from the menu on the left. Select Plus External Account. Enter your password. Select Confirm Password. Enter the name on the external account. Enter your routing number from the external account you are adding. Enter your account number from the external account that you are adding. Choose Select next to the account type. Select the account type from the external account that you are adding. Select Submit. Select OK. You'll get 2 small deposits between 1 cent and 99 cents in the external account you added, sent by the Dime Bank to confirm you own the account. The total will be withdrawn later. It's just for verification. Once the 2 small deposits appear, log into your Dime Bank mobile banking, go to Transfers. Select the external account you set up. Enter the first amount of the small deposit received. Enter the second amount of the small deposit received. Select Confirm. Once your external account is verified, you can now use Make a Transfer to move funds between accounts. Log into your account and make an external transfer today. Our Customer Experience Center is here to assist you if you have further questions at 570-253-1970, option 0. Visit our website if you would like more information on external transfers. The Dime Bank, member FDIC, equal housing lender.